25th day of November. We thank you for making us a part of your day. I do want to do some a little bit of fun stuff here, but before I do that, I need to do this one more time until we get information that this has been canceled. We have to frequently do this Amber Alert.
Oh fuck! There it goes.
Hours that they are issued. Okay, the
I hate
Amber
that
Alert
noise.
issued for 2 young children abducted by their father, last seen in Sparks last night. The Story County Sheriff's Office looking for 36-year-old Angel Medina of Stockton, California, and 2 children, Ariana and Liam. Medina last seen in the Tahoe Reno Industrial Center just before 11 o'clock Tuesday night. His current whereabouts are unknown. Medina driving a white semi-truck with an Acevedo trucking logo. That's Acevedo, Acevedo, trucking logo with unknown license plate. The 2 children, Ariana first, last seen wearing gray pajama pants with stars and a gray shirt over a pink short sleeve shirt with a guitar and star graphics. Liam has a mohawk haircut, last seen wearing a gray t-shirt with 3 buttons and a side pocket with blue or gray sweatpants. If you see any of these people, call the Story County Sheriff's Office or local law enforcement. We have pictures and a full story. And that's all up at our Facebook page, facebook.com/Nevada Talk Network. Facebook.com/Nevada Talk Network. Okay, we've got that. And I know we've been doing lots of Christmas music, but we do need, for this Wednesday,